Welcome everybody to Uncle B Builds. I found the Trainer's Toolkit Pokemon. So this is what I'm opening today. Got 50 more cards. Power up your deck, including dozens of trainer cards. More than 100 energy cards. A couple booster packs. Some sleeves. So the box is pretty nice. You can see this is a little see-through thing. It's pretty nice. The box looks good, so you can store your cards in here. So is it open? Okay. We get dice for damage counters, and that's always nice to have, rather than those little paper things you put on there. I don't like those little paper things. Then we have these for. These are plastic. They're not the paper ones or the cardboard ones you get from the other stuff. So those are nice. A bunch of sleeves. Put your deck in there. You can see all the different energies on here. Going throughout the thing in a nice kind of rainbow pattern. It looks like this is a stack of energies. I don't think I need to open that. Here's the deck with cards, booster packs. We got Burning Shadows, Sword and Shield Base, Rebel Clash. Here's the card game rules. Look at that. See what else we have in here. You see the divider, deck builder's guide, so to build a deck. It'll give you some tips and pointers on how to do that. Okay, so we got two of the GXs. So nice. Got some trainer cards, boss's orders. Alright, so this isn't a playable deck. This is just trainer cards and those other ones. So you can use these for your playable deck. Energy. These are all good cards to have to build a deck. A whole stack of trainer cards. And two of those, set those aside. All right, let's go back to the opening of our Pokemons here. Let's do Rebel Clashes first. See if we get something good. Move that to the side. So we got our energy, a trainer, a stadium. Ooh, that looks happy. Looks like a snowman. All fixed. There's a bird. Meow. This is reverse. And nice shiny one with a mushroom head. So that's a good one. And my sleeves. Get him in the sleeve. We'll set that right there. All right, another Rebel Clash. See if we can keep going with the luck. Leaf Energy, Electrode, Beware, Tiger, there's a reverse, and there's those here. Okay, we got Burning Shadows. Energy. Ooh, I like that picture. He looks mad. What do you think that is? Like a hummingbird dragonfly. Running to the beach. Like some toxic. There's the reverse and what's it? Okay, not much. Unless I'm missing something, you gotta let me know. Alright, last one. Bike. Ooh, this is crabby. I like that one. And oh, this is the one we got. I think that's the best one of all the ones that we that I did today. We got. So leave a like, subscribe, and here's Fester.